Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Crypto Vortex. So today I will be guiding you on how to effectively get the gems on Fintopio. So I'm taking the daily bonus, right? So you now have your rock. So you're gonna start clicking. You're gonna start clicking directly as it breaks bits by bits. Yes, it will be breaking bit by bit. So now that it's almost opening up, so you start clicking gently, at least giving spaces. The whole idea is to save this gem for it not to break, because it gives you minimum of 500 HPs, so which is the point for Fintopio. So it's important to gently, exactly. So we've secured the gem carefully, and now it will tell us how much HPs we get. Wow, 1000 HP as a reward. Then we click on continue. So, and then the countdown for new asteroids begins. And then I collect my farming points, which is 50. So guys, that's all for the gem collection. So immediately the new asteroid, the timer counts down. I will then come again in the next 30 minutes and then claim another gem. So guys, that's all for the gem collection. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like our videos, and share so that we can do more and upload more videos and more contents for you guys. Thank you so much, and do have a wonderful day.